Piggy, I think someone's looking at us. Someone's looking at us? Who's looking at us? Is it a monster? No, I think we're in a storybook. A storybook? Wait a minute. No! Gerald, we're in a craft video for the Round Lake Area Library. The library? Yes! Hi, everyone! Hi! Hi, everybody, and welcome to our craft. In honor of Children's Day, we're going to be making Elephant and Piggy, based on the book by Mo Willems. You will be making these puppets with toilet paper tubes, gray, pink, and white construction paper, glue of any kind, a black marker, and a pair of scissors. We're going to start off by making Piggy. We're going to grab our toilet paper tube, we're going to grab our pink paper, and we're going to measure how long the toilet paper tube is because we're going to wrap it with our pink paper. If for any reason you don't have construction paper at home, you can always color the toilet paper tube with markers, crayons, or color pencils. So now we're going to cut that length right across, and we're going to put some glue on the end. Put enough glue so that it sticks. And we're going to begin wrapping our toilet paper tube. And we're going to cut off the excess paper. Okay? Once we're done, we're going to put that aside. With that extra pink paper that we just cut off, we're going to be making Piggy's ears and nose. For the ears, we're going to draw 2 triangles. And for the nose, it's going to be an oval or a circle. And then we're going to draw 2 lines to represent the nostrils. Once you're done, we're going to cut them. Once you're done, you're just going to add some glue on the back. We're going to put the nose right about there, and then we're going to add the ears. Now we're going to grab our black marker, and we're going to give Piggy her eyes and her big smile. Piggy is a little pig, so she needs a tail. So we're going to draw a little squiggly line right on the back. And now we're done with Piggy. Next up, we're going to do Elephant. Gerald! We're going to do the same thing we did with the pink paper. We're going to measure, cut, and glue. Once we're done with that, we're going to take that extra paper and we're going to draw Elephant's ears and nose. Elephant's ears are like little hills, and then his nose looks like a boomerang, kind of. So that is what you're going to draw, and now we're going to cut them out. Now that we cut out the nose and the ears, we're now going to glue them onto Gerald's body. So we're just going to glue half of the ear, make sure a little of the ear sticks out like so, and we're going to do the same thing with the other ear. And now we're going to get the nose. We're going to stick it somewhere in the middle. Next, Gerald has glasses. So in order to represent his glasses, we're just going to cut a little piece of white paper, and we're going to draw 2 circles. Do a little dot in the middle for the pupil. You're going to go ahead and cut those out. Try leaving some of the black marker behind so that it could be the frame. And you're going to glue them onto Gerald's body. And to complete his glasses, we're going to put a line in between them. And it's going to be kind of like my glasses right here. And we're going to make some lines out here, like so. And finally, we're going to draw his little mouth and little eyebrows. And there you have it. We have Elephant and Piggy. I hope you guys enjoyed this craft. And if you guys do make this craft, please go ahead and share your pictures with us. We would love to see your creations. Bye! We'll see you guys later.